Hi there, my friend, it's Tracy Matthewman, and I wanted to make this video today to tell you about something that happened to me last night and how you can use this situation to better your business with network marketing. So I was in a trade show, and the trade show was for business opportunity seekers. And going in, I knew that all the other vendors in the room were going to be other businesses or companies that are trying to promote their business opportunity. And so when before I went in, I realized that I really had not only the people who are coming to the show to visit the vendor tables, but also the other vendors in the room. And so I actually had two priorities last night. One was, yes, to talk to the people coming in, but the second priority was to go around and talk to all the other vendors in the room, because they are also potential prospects for me. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm out there to prospect them and get them into my business. What the purpose of last night was is to create relationships with people, because you never know how one relationship can lead to something else or to something else, and how you can build relationships and get referrals from other people, and also to refer people that you might know to them. And so what had happened is that my another person who's actually in my company was at the show, and they had their table fully spread out with all the products and the big signs and all the traditional garb that you would put on your table. And what happened is there was a little bit of mix-up in communication between myself and the event organizer, and she had mentioned to me that I couldn't actually put out my products. And so at first I was thinking, oh God, what am I going to do? Like, you know, I'm here, I spent all this time getting ready, and now I'm at the show and I can't even put out my company's information. And so what I did is, fortunately I had some information that I had prepared beforehand, which was, the intention was to get people to sign up to my email list. And so I had that out on display. And I had some other signage out that didn't talk about my company per se, but it was more about how network marketing is on the rise, and it's a great opportunity for home-based business owners, how you can use the internet to leverage building your business, and all these sort of more generic things. And I realized that what I was doing at this table was pretty much the same thing that I do online, is that I don't necessarily promote my business, but I promote myself as a coach and a mentor and a trainer. And so that's what I did last night. And as I went around to all the different other vending tables, I started to talk to people and find out what they're doing. And, you know, I didn't really talk about myself at all. People would ask me, and I would just very quickly say, you know, I'm a trainer and a coach, and I teach people how to build their network marketing business online. And then as soon as I was done that, I would just refocus the conversation right back onto them and ask them what they're doing and how they're building their business, how long they've been doing it, and a lot of the typical questions that I would ask, just getting to know somebody. And I made some really, really good connections, and the kind of connections that I know that I'll get referrals from. And I also had on my table a sign-up list for my newsletter. I don't really call it a newsletter, sorry. For my mailing list, where I would put people on my list to help them to learn how to do more online marketing, and also how to build their network marketing business. So even though at the beginning of the night it seemed like everything was falling apart for me, it actually turned out quite well, and I took a bad situation and I made it good. I made some great connections with some new people that I never met before, and I think the lesson here is that what the activities that you do online are also transferable into an offline environment, like a networking event where you might have a table. And instead of promoting your products per se, which you can still do, you can also, with part of the effort of that table, is to promote yourself as the expert and to help people, give them value in building their network marketing business as well. So it was a great event. I hope that some lessons learned, and at the next event that you attend, that you'll consider not just focusing so much on you and your company, but really focusing on what the other people in the room are doing, not only the attendees but the other vendors as well, and creating those great connections, because they really can be invaluable to building a business. And that's it for today. Thank you.